Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy again, Toro Bravo Raging Bull, coming back at you with another video. So, I just got this package today from Nike. So let me know what you guys think of these boxes. Man, these are, I'm telling you, man, these are like the worst packaging boxes that Nike could ever do. So, anyway, it is what it is. So, let's do it. I hit on the shock drop last week for these joints. So, but unfortunately, it's not my size. So, y'all can see the infamous box with the size tag for yourself, and it reads Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant, size 11. It's not my size, unfortunately. The colorway is CD6578, color code 006, light bone black crimson tint. Retail price $175. So, interesting for the price. Let's see what we got here. You see, special type of paper. Voila. NY to Paris Jordan 1 SBs. See, have spare laces, peach, hyper pink, and silver or gray, or light bone as you want to call it. It's the Jordan Wing logo, black swoosh, light bone color, the white toe box, the white side panel, and you can see here under the silver paint you have pink layer, because this is a wear by time paint, which this color turns into pink, and there's another colorway under this paint. So I'm not going to do that right now. This is not my size. This is not my personal pair. So let's check the medium side. Not the best quality. No. You see here you got Nike SB on the tab, black tone. Standard shoe tree. Got Nike SB, black with the pink insole, black laces already. Comes with four laces that come with the shoe. So for y'all skateboarders, did you guys cop or your drop? Or any sneaker or Jordan 1 enthusiast, did you guys cop or your drop? Let me know in the comment section. You can see silver, the light bone outsole. So let me know in the comment section. Some people think this leather is too stiff from the toe box, but with time it will wear in and get softer. So did you guys cop or you drop? Again, this is not my size. So I was hoping to score on the LA to Chicago once, but I took a long L train ride, the NYC subway thing here in New York. So I will be either selling these or I'll be returning them to Nike. Let me know what you guys think. You guys cop or you dropped. So again, thank you guys for watching the triple video upload today. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the videos. I'm also a NYC transit enthusiast. Ride the subways, buses, you name it, around the tri-state area. So stay tuned for more videos, you guys. And Devor Toro Bravo signing out. Deuces.